Welcome to Supernova, a 17.5-acre mixed-use development project standing 0 kilometers from Delhi. A metro station right next to the project which connects directly to the IGI airport. The exit of the metro opens out into a retail space called Hypernova. A 10 lakh square foot mall with 7,000 parking space for all the shoppers. 12 lakh shoppers in the close vicinity, this mall has 8 large multiplex screens, entertainment zone and not to forget the high-end brands coming to this very mall. Big opportunity, big return, great for investment purpose. The roof of the mall is the podium, which is a 5.5-acre open space out of the 17.5, catering to 31 facilities only for the residents of Supernova. Coming to Astralis, a Grade A office tower having 25 floors which will be housing the Fortune 500 companies and MNCs. Landscape terrace, rooftop cafeteria, modern clubhouse and many more facilities. Our triple heightened lobby is one of a kind and makes you feel grand the moment you enter. Possession given and companies have already started to get their fit-outs done. Coming to our premium residences Nova East and Nova West, two identical towers with 44 floors each with independent entrance lobbies. Clubhouse with all type of facilities, high-speed lifts, luxurious 2 to 3 BHK apartment and penthouses. Let's have a look at our completed twin towers. "200 people have taken possession and we already have 100 to 120 families staying here." Coming to the tallest tower of northern India, Spira, a 300-meter tall mixed-use tower with the panoramic view of the Yamuna, having various segments such as 3 to 4 BHK luxurious apartments, fully serviced studios, premium office spaces, sky villas and not to forget Club S. Coming up with fine dine, heated swimming pool, nightclub at an unparalleled height, ticketed observatory deck and many more of such high-end facilities. Each segment has their very own entry and exit, with a separate triple heightened lobby for all the different segments. Let's give you a small peek. Spira itself has 32 high-speed lifts. You can reach 80th floor in less than a minute. The construction is done by ACC, that is Arabian Construction Company, the contractors for Burj Khalifa. Possession of this tower will be given by mid-2021. We have continuous finishing work going on to complete your dream house. Here is a peek into our hot-selling product, Spira Studios. With finishing complete, let's have a look at what it would look like after fully loading it. All interiors, furnishing and finishing will be done by us. There's a high rental yield going on for service studio apartments. Let's have a look at the breathtaking view from the 42nd floor. Coming to our last tower, Queen, an epitome of luxury in which we have collaborated with two brands. One is JW Marriott coming up with their hotels from 5th to 25th floor, and the other being Armani Casa Residencies with furnishing done by Giorgio Armani himself. We have Nova East, West and Astralis standing, which has been completed and given out for possession. Spira standing at 250 meters out of the 300 meters